weekend is all about continual professional development for our members who teach, and it's a chance for teachers to come and share good practice, but it's also a great place for them to share ideas and to meet with other colleagues.
The CPD Weekend is an event that we run every 2 years, and this is the 5th time that we've done it. So it's a weekend looking at continuing professional development for teachers. So whether that's looking at your teaching technique and how to diversify your teaching technique, to working with special educational needs pupils. There's a whole range of subjects. We'll have debates on MU policy and strategy for the next 2 years. So whether you're working as a community musician, a self-employed teacher, a classroom teacher, there's something that everyone can access throughout this weekend.
What I'm most looking forward to is meeting other people in a similar world, and also learning from people in slightly different worlds, and to help inform our practice and work.
Things like the CPD weekends are fantastic. The opportunity to learn and network and meet other people, learn from them is really quite unique actually.
Because it's a union, it's membership led. The members have a really large voice and say in what happens at the union. So I think bringing everyone together, which could be an isolated job, and get everyone together and realising that you're not alone and the things that you deal with, other people deal with too, and just getting the resources out and shouting about it.
Well, it's my view that this expanded definition of listening is one of the keys to a musical life that's an ever-developing learning experience.
Having a music teachers section and having a teaching committee, and then having also the conference like this and enabling teachers to come together, I think is really important. It shows that they are valued as musicians and as members of the union, so that very active support and recognition is really important.